As I mentioned in my last crypto video, exactly the same thing is happening right now. The price of Bitcoin has started to pump towards the upside a little bit, but it is the starting of a pump. And to be honest, am I happy or not? Well, I will discuss every single thing in this video, what I expect the next week and in the next coming days for sure. Everything will be discussed in today's video, so let's get straight to the point. I'm on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and in my previous video I told you all that the price of Bitcoin may get reversed from here towards the upside to trap retailers, and the same thing is happening right now also. Well, see, first of all, I'm always bearish on Bitcoin because of the bubble which is forming around it, and overall a lot of overhyped. I made plethora of videos regarding it, and talking about the fundamentals of Bitcoin and the technicals as well. So overall I am bearish on Bitcoin, but that doesn't mean that I will go short every single time, here. No, whenever I find a good opportunity to go short, then only I will go short, because obviously if an asset is forming a bubble and it is just pumping towards the upside, so it is very risky to go short, because no one knows from where the crash will happen or where the dump will start. That's why I'm very cautious while going short on Bitcoin. But yeah, definitely I am a strong believer that the price of Bitcoin has to crash a lot towards the downside, because it's already overbought and overhyped. And talking right now also, this is kind of a minor support for Bitcoin. I hope you can clearly see exactly at $113,000 where the price is currently approx. So still the price of Bitcoin can get reject from here and can dump towards the downside as well, because if I zoom in, you can clearly see there is a downtrend, a small downtrend, high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So there are pretty high chances that the price of Bitcoin may get reversed from here again towards the downside. It is a very confusing state, but for shorter term I am expecting a pump in the price of Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin pumps, then obviously Ethereum and Solana will also pump. So as of now, let's see what happens next, but the price of Bitcoin is pumping towards the upside only. And I'm personally obviously not going in any trade right now, no long or short. And it's been months since I took any trade in BTC, because I'm not taking trade right now. It is already in a bubble. Bitcoin is very volatile and it is just pumping and dumping, pumping and dumping. Overall it is pumping towards the upside, but obviously that's not how it works. I mean, it is trapping a lot of traders as well and a lot of people. So right now I'm avoiding it because it is near its all-time high as well. So it is better to avoid taking any trade in Bitcoin. But yeah, I'm taking couple of trades in Ethereum and Solana time to time whenever I find a good opportunity. Talking about Ethereum, so when I made my last video, I told you all that still the price of Ethereum is inside this order block zone. So if you look closely, this is a very important level for Ethereum at $4,800, and this is also a very important level, $4,600. This whole zone is very important for the price of Ethereum. It is an order block zone, and you can clearly see we have seen a very big pump in the price of Ethereum, but still it did a breakout of this important zone, and still the price of Ethereum is getting rejected and again pumping, basically sideways market only. Let's see what happens. As I said, if Bitcoin pumps, then Ethereum will also pump. Maybe we can see a scenario that Ethereum dumps towards the downside heavily, whereas Bitcoin just goes sideways, and then when Bitcoin starts to pump again, Ethereum also from here can pump towards the upside. That's just a scenario what I expect, but anything can happen in this market obviously. And this was my last trade in Ethereum, which you already know, ended up in decent profits only. I mean, not very good profits or very large profits. It was kind of break even only. Talking about Solana in the end, and if you watched my previous video, I told you all that the price of Solana right now is in middle of nowhere, and most probably Solana will pump all the way up till $219 to $220 level. Why? Because this is very crucial support and resistance zone for Solana, and plethora of times the price of Solana has done a breakout of it, but again fake out, breakout, fake out. But now the price of Solana has already tapped this zone a lot of times. So now this has become a support for Solana, this important zone. So the next zone for Sol is obviously this zone over here. This is a very important next resistance for Solana, and most probably it will go and touch over here only, and that's what I expect, from 220 to 224 approx. Let's see what happens. And obviously I'm not taking any trade, and I don't think that I should say this again and again in every video that I'm taking a trade, I'm not taking a trade, etc. Whenever I will take a trade, I will inform you guys on my Twitter or will make a video about it. And do not please take that as any financial advice, and I'm not giving any financial advice. This is just my own analysis, my own personal trades. Just learn from these trades and learn from other, I would say, learn from books or other YouTubers videos, but always do your own trading. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yes guys, this is it for today's video. I know it is a very quick short video, but I wanted to inform you guys what is happening right now in the whole crypto world. And Bitcoin's price is slightly pumping towards the upside as I predicted in my last video. So let's see how it ends up. And for the next week also, I am a little bit bullish in the price of Bitcoin. Overall I'm bearish, I've already told you guys, but according to the technical analysis for next week, I am pretty much bullish on Bitcoin. And let's see what happens. And don't fall for any traps. Obviously learn trading and avoid involving in any traps. If you want to trade Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum or any other crypto, or just buy and sell, you can do that on a decentralized exchange or a centralized exchange. Link of both of them are in the description and in the comment box below. If you want, you can use those links, or else it is just free, your wish. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I'll see you guys next time.